Good afternoon, everyone. I am Riya Raj along with my team members Samreen, Nishant, and Anushka. Today we are here to give a brief detail about digital labor chalk. So, have you ever seen the labor chalk, which are very common at different towns, where hundreds of workers are waiting in the extreme weather conditions like excessive heat and cold? Meanwhile, after this much struggle, many of them return home without money. So, Digital Labor Chalk was established on 28th of October 2020 in the mid of the pandemic. It was founded by Chandrasekhar Singh Mandal, that is a native of Darbhanga, Bihar. So let's understand about what is Digital Labor Chalk. It is an online platform that connects hundreds of workers with employers through digital technology. So Digital Labor Chalk basically a modern version of traditional labor chalk where daily wage workers gather to find job. Now Samreen will continue the further explanation.
Thank you, Riya, for a brief introduction. Digital Labor Chalk operates a digital platform for blue-collar and construction workers that connects job providers on one side and workers on another side. This platform follows both business-to-business and business-to-consumer models. First, we talk about business-to-business models. In this model, it connects builders, supervisors, and construction companies with skilled and semi-skilled workers based on their specific project needs. Second, we talk about business-to-consumer models. In these models, it helps individual customers and homeowners to hire a worker even for a day. For example, if a household needs a plumber, an electrician, or a painter for just one day, they can open the app and find a local worker instantly by entering their PIN code and areas. One of the most notable feature is it eliminates the middleman, that is ठेकेदार. As earlier, workers have to depend on intermediaries or waited at labor chalk to obtain a daily work. Digital labor chalk enables digital hiring through digital job matching, makes hiring more faster, more transparent, and more reliable for both workers and employers. Overall, Digital Labor Chalk is a smart business model that creates a direct link between labor supply and labor demand. Now, I hand it over to Nishant to explain history and revenue of Digital Labor Chalk.
Thank you, Samreen. Now let's talk about the history and growth of Digital Labor Chalk. The journey of Digital Labor Chalk started from 2020 in Darbhanga, Bihar. The major milestone and the starting of this project was started from 2022 when the company launched its pilot project across Bihar and Delhi NCR. A major milestone came in this company when the company won the MIT Global Soft Challenge in year 2024, gaining the international recognition for its innovative solution. Today in 2026, the company is generating very good revenue and trying to serve more than 250,000 registered workers. Let's talk about the revenue model of Digital Labor Chalk. There is mainly two main revenue model for the Digital Labor Chalk. First is subscription revenue and second is SaaS premium. In subscription revenue, the corporate world and the real estate companies pay regular fee to operate and use the verified workforce on Digital Labor Chalk. Digital Labor Chalk has shows a very impressive growth rate of 928% and generated more than 64.1 lakh as a revenue. As you can see, the major chunk of their profit come from corporate premium fees, that is 70%, and 30% revenue come from corporate subscription. Now, Anushka will explain onboarding process.
Thank you, Nishant. Now I will explain how Digital Labor Chalk connects with workers and employer through a simple onboarding process. For workers, the journey starts with app registration using OTP. After they can complete their profile, select their skills and verify their Aadhaar, they can easily receive job opportunities from nearby location. For employers, the process begins with creating a business profile, then their project details such as location, supervisor details. After entering a required number of workers and wage details, they can easily hire a verified worker through this platform. Now, Chandrasekhar Mandal's vision proved that world-class digital innovation doesn't come from Silicon Valley. It can come from the heartland of Bihar. Thank you. That's all about Digital Labor Chalk.